guys, I am so excited and nervous at the same time. So I'm going to take my first ever COVID-19 test, and this is the at-home self-test kit. And this is actually, you just use your saliva and you're gonna get like the result within 15 minutes or something. So of course, like before you are trying to test it, you cannot drink anything or eat anything. Like 30 minutes before, you can't eat or drink anything, and you can't even use like mouthwash as well. So yeah, I am really excited, really nervous, because it's like what happened if I'm like positive? I mean, I don't know, guys. I don't want to think about it, but anyway, I'm taking this test because like tomorrow I'm gonna meet some people, so I don't want to like you know, spreading my disease if I have any. Okay, so we got the instructions. So I've actually like look up the video demo or stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and try it. So before I wanted to open this, I'm gonna clean my hand using the hand sanitizer. Like your hands, of course, gotta be clean as well, you know. And then, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's open this one right here. So basically, you need to spit your saliva into this tube. Okay. So I need to take out, I guess, this one. I need to take out the blue one. And wait, I'm actually confused. Like, how do I do this? Okay, so it says that I'm supposed to spit onto this funnel, and then after that's done, I need to unscrew it, and so they can kind of flow to the bottom right here. There's like a bit of water over here, so okay, never mind. Let's just try it. I hope it's gonna work. I hope the result is negative. Okay, I'm gonna spit into here, so it's gonna be disgusting, so I'm just gonna cover it up. I don't really know if this is like enough, but I'm just gonna unscrew it anyway. It's like really tricky, like for real, it's so tricky. And then you change it to the blue one. You know what, seriously, this feels like it should be done by a professional. Like honestly, for me as a layman, I'm like, I don't understand anything. Turn upside down the collection tube slightly for 5 seconds. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then so after I mix them, I'm supposed to leave it for 5 minutes. So I'll be right back after 5 minutes. Okay, it has been 5 minutes. I've let it sit for 5 minutes. Let me just sanitize my hand again. Take out the content from this bag right here, which is the card. And we're gonna be... Oh, okay. What's this? Oh, it's like, okay. So this is how the inside looks like. Oh, this is so exciting to me. Okay. I'm just gonna put it on the table, and then we take this, and then we remove the cover. Okay, so it's open, and then we're just gonna drop like 3 drops on each hole, each of the small holes. I have dropped them. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, okay, I hope my camera doesn't fall. Let's just hope this okay. I'm scared to like move it. I don't want to move it. I don't want to do anything about it. Let's just wait. And yeah, while we are waiting, well, actually I can't keep recording because I need to leave it for like 15 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to like stop the video, pause the video right now, set a timer for 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. Just want to show you guys I'm still waiting. Oh my god, it's taking such a long time. Like literally nothing happened since the past, I don't know, 7 minutes. So I've got like 8 more minutes to go while waiting for the result. The result's gonna come in 15 minutes. It's the longest 15 minutes. So guys, it's 15 minutes and you know that I'm gonna get the result right now. So I have a really serious news, and the result is negative. Ta-da! It's negative. So yeah, it is literally negative. Let me show you guys like the real comparison. Okay, I'm so not good at like hiding what I already know. So I'm supposed to be like, oh, so sad and all that stuff, and then it turns out it's negative. But okay, whatever. So anyway, here's a picture of what the results mean. So if you got like 2 stripes, that means it's positive. On the C and the T, that means it's positive. If there is only 1 line on the C line, and that means a negative. Other than that, it's not a valid result, and you need to like retake the test. So yep, it is a negative. Hello, who's COVID negative? It's me. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'm just so happy that I'm COVID negative, because honestly, I'm scared that there is like, you know, the no symptom kind of COVID, and like I have been wearing masks, and I, even though like we can dine in, we can eat at the restaurants and stuff like that, but I do not want to dine in at all. And then like for today, it was like I thought, you know, like today is like work day, I thought everyone is working, and so I go to a restaurant. I thought let's just eat, but I thought it's gonna be like no people, but apparently there's like a lot of people. So I'm like wearing my mask, and then when I took the food, I'm like open it a bit and put the food inside. So I was like kind of scared, so that's why I took this test. And then not to mention like tomorrow I'm gonna meet some people, so it's like I think I should take the test. So now I'm like really calm and just thinking that I will never spread to anyone because I don't have it. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is by the way not a tutorial on how to do the at home saliva test. Like if you wanted to watch tutorial, it's actually I will link the URL down below. That's the official one. You should follow that one. I just feel like I'm not a professional to like give you tutorial and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just like a normal vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is entertaining or whatever. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.